Hi.
Hello. You look like Grizzly Adams, dude. Well, now that I've explored the lake by water a little bit, Jim and I are going to take a walk around the lake. And go back over to where I heard the water rushing. See if there's an inlet there somewhere.
So, this is the trail that Russ has us following around the lake. I suppose it's called the trail. I don't know. It looks like other things have followed it repeatedly. I don't know. So far we've traversed a creek, many fallen logs. I've been a rock slide, been slapped in the face by brush repeatedly, stabbed by branches. So it's just like hiking with Owen, basically. So that's fun. So, you know, if I die, he'll get to carry me out.
Yeah, I'll come help.
Sure he will.
I'll probably just eat you.
Well, I don't know. I'm kind of old. I imagine I'd be tough and gamey.
Yeah, but it's all natural. This is kind of interesting. This is a live tree. Way up there. But it has this crack that runs all the way down on this side. And then all the way down on this side. And that's not just the bark, it goes straight into the tree. But this is a live tree. Huh. Interesting. Very, very interesting. So as Scott has pointed out several times, this isn't the most maintained trail. So at some point back that direction, Jim and I lost the trail completely. We climbed over a bunch of fall down, and Jim found the trail.
Yay me.
Yay, Jim. So here's a shore view of what I was talking about. You can see somebody placed rocks right here, and it's almost like it's a little dock, I guess, that you can put your boat up on and get in and out of it easier when the water level's a lot lower, which will be like another month and a half. Interesting. There's another one up the road a ways. We'll take a look at that one too. So this big giant tree right here is clean of bark, and Jim is currently standing on the bark.
Even trees go bald, apparently.
Even trees go bald. Imagine that. There's some bark right there just hanging on for dear life.
Like Brian.
Like Brian. That was for you, Brian. We wish you were here.
We do. I would have totally said that even if you weren't here.
See, if Brian were here, we'd probably be able to see Bigfoot. Because I understand that he's a Bigfoot magnet. But we aren't even going to see a squirrel.
I saw a squirrel.
Oh, he saw a squirrel, so we're good. We did see a family of birds that decided to be our friends and take food off our plates.
Stole your steak.
And stole my steak. Most people get shot for things like that. Alright, so this is cool. So what happened with this tree is it fell straight back and then twisted itself. It's a big tree too, way up there. A gnarly break to it. Mosquitoes! Alright, so here's the campsite. First campsite that I saw that I really liked. It's got an enormous fire pit, some good sitting logs. You can sit on the logs and just watch the lake. It has another one of those rock dock things down here. Really don't know if that's what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it. Rock dock. And this log, rope attached right there and down at the other end. I'm not sure why I did that, but here we are. But this is the campsite that I definitely want to come to at some point. I like this. I don't know who Eric Lewis Stout is. He was born on July 11th, 1943, and apparently passed away on October 17th, 1961. And he loved this place. I feel you, Eric. I like it here too.
Let's see his view.
Here's your view, Eric.
That's awesome. So it's warmed up quite a bit. And we're, I don't know, about halfway around the lake.
Yeah, about.
Because just behind us over here is where we were camped at this morning. And it's just beautiful. The sun's out, the sky's blue, the mosquitoes are eating us alive because we left our bug spray at camp. But it's just amazing out here. It's awesome. Taking some cool panoramic pictures of the lake. Decent bit of clear trail in front of us. So we're having fun.
This is a pretty sweet campsite. This is right out in the open. I feel like we should have come here last night. So this part, the Charlton Lake Trail, is pretty well maintained, or at least not completely jacked up like over there. But I'm feeling when we hit that little peninsula right there, it's definitely going to be back to awful, unmaintained. Gigantic uprooted tree. And snow. Do you want to build a snowman?
No. Well, we made it back to camp all the way around the lake. My step counter here says that was 11,161 steps, or 7.9 kilometers. I don't know what that is in real things, but it's kind of cool. And it was a great hike. Nice way to spend a couple hours.